This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about morning routine. What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. I like starting my day early because it gives me enough time to prepare for work or study without rushing. It also allows me to enjoy a quiet moment before the day gets busy.
Do you prefer mornings or evenings? Why?
I prefer mornings because I feel more productive and energetic. I enjoy the quiet time in the morning to plan my day and have a peaceful breakfast. It's also when I can focus better without any distractions.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing I do is have a glass of water. It helps me feel refreshed and hydrated before starting my day. Then I usually listen to the news to stay updated.
How do you usually spend your mornings on weekends?
On weekends, I take it easy. I sleep a bit longer, enjoy a relaxed breakfast, and sometimes go for a walk or do some light reading. It's my way of recharging after a busy week.
Do you think having a routine is important? Why?
Yes, having a routine is important because it helps me stay organized and manage my time better. For example, a morning routine sets the tone for a productive day.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a film or TV program that made you laugh. You should say what it is called and what it is about, who the main characters are, what made you laugh, and explain why you remember this film or TV program so well.
One TV program that always makes me laugh is Friends. It's a classic sitcom about six friends: Ross, Rachel, Monica, Chandler, Joey, and Phoebe, who live in New York City. The show revolves around their daily lives, relationships, and hilarious misadventures. Each character has a unique personality, and together, they create a lot of memorable and funny moments. The main characters are the heart of the show. Ross is the nerdy paleontologist who often finds himself in funny situations. Joey is the charming but clueless actor who delivers some of the funniest lines. Chandler's sarcastic humor and Phoebe's unique and silly personality always add to the comedy. Monica is organized and loves everything perfect, while Rachel is all about fashion and style. Their interactions feel so natural that you can't stop laughing. One episode that stands out for me is the one where Joey tries to learn French for an audition. Phoebe offers to teach him, but no matter how hard he tries, he just can't get it right. Instead of speaking proper French, he ends up saying random sounds that make no sense. The part where he confidently believes he's fluent while Phoebe looks completely confused is absolutely hilarious. It's a scene I could watch over and still laugh every time. I remember Friends so well because it's timeless and relatable. The humor is lighthearted and the jokes never get old. It's the kind of show I turn to when I need a good laugh, and it always leaves me feeling better, no matter how stressful my day has been.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of TV shows. Why do you think comedy shows are popular?
Comedy shows are popular because they help people relax and forget their worries. Many people turn to comedy shows to unwind after a long day, and it helps them feel lighter. For example, shows like Friends or The Big Bang Theory are go to options for many because they offer both humor and a sense of comfort.
What makes a good comedy film or TV program?
A good comedy has relatable jokes, clever writing, and funny characters. For example, The Big Bang Theory works well because of characters like Sheldon and Leonard, whose awkwardness creates humorous situations. The show blends humor with meaningful moments, making it enjoyable and easy to connect with.
Do older people and younger people enjoy the same types of comedy TV shows?
No, older and younger people usually have different preferences when it comes to comedy TV shows. Younger people often enjoy more modern humor with fast paced jokes, while older generations may prefer traditional humor or slower paced comedy. These differences are influenced by age and cultural background.
How has the way people watch films or TV programs changed?
Nowadays, people stream films and TV programs online on platforms like Netflix or YouTube. It's more convenient because they can watch anytime and anywhere, unlike the old days of waiting for TV schedules. People also have the option to binge watch entire seasons, which wasn't possible with traditional TV.
Can comedy help in difficult times? How?
Yes, comedy can help during tough times by lifting people's spirits and offering a break from stress. Watching something funny can make people feel more positive and remind them to enjoy life. For instance, during the pandemic, many people turned to comedy series for some relief from the stress and uncertainty of the situation.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.